Okay, Martin, can you open it up? Now, the rug has gone through all the washing, it's gone through all the extraction with a 20,000 pounds of pressure to extract it, to be rinsed fully, completely, entirely. Martin's going to pull it out. This is the same rug that was absolutely full of pee-pee just a few minutes ago. And we've washed it with our Luv-A-Rug special process using all our Rug Badger equipment, with our secret pee-pee rug shampoo to remove the pee-pee. And now I'm going to do a little test on it. We're going to see just how wet this rug really is. Remember, this rug was just swimming. This rug was fully, completely saturated. I'm going to put that towel down there. That's a cotton towel, just so everybody knows. That's a real cotton towel. There's no tricks going on here. And I'm going to do a knee test on it. Here we go. I'm going to spin it around so you can actually see. Okay, that's my knee. Okay, right there. That's my knee. Okay, the other knee's over here. I'm going to lift up this knee so you can see that all my weight is right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this towel with this moisture meter. On this side of the towel, I stick that in, and if there's any moisture in this meter, in this rug, or in that towel right now, it's going to beep. And you know what? It's dry. Now, if I put my fingers on here, you'll see what I mean. Hear that noise? Okay, that's it beeping. Okay? It's not beeping when I put all my weight, watch this again, all my weight on here. That's all my weight on this towel. If that rug was wet, this moisture meter would beep. So, here we go. No beeping, nothing. Remember, if it beeps, it'll sound like this. That's me just touching the end, see? Just touching the end to make it beep. It doesn't beep. That's how dry this rug is. This is absolutely, it's amazing what we can do. Now there is admittedly, there's a little bit more moisture deep down in this rug, and we're going to dry it the rest of the way, because you know what? Our Rug Revolution is not a dryer. It's an extractor. It gets out all the standing water. But we're going to let it dry overnight on our Easy Tower. So we're going to put it up on our Easy Tower next. Okay, Martin is now picking up the rug. Remember, this is the rug that was just swimming. That rug would weigh hundreds of pounds, but it doesn't now because it's gone through our Rug Revolution. Martin's picking up by himself, and he's going to take it into our drying room. This is our climate-controlled drying room, so we can get the rug fully dry. We got about 95% of the water out of this rug so far, and we need to hang it up in here to get, well, the last 5% out. So Martin's going to show you how easy it is for us to actually hang this up on our Easy Tower. This is a special tower. See there? That's something, again, that I created, sold all over the world to rug professionals, and called the Rug Badger Easy Tower. So there he is. He's just getting ready. Just go over that pole. See, that's just a 2x4 pole in these slots. Go ahead, Martin. Lift it up. There you go. He's lifted up one end. Remember, this is a giant rug that Martin's handling right now. There you go. Up to the second one. Yeah, Aubrey's helping there, it looks like. Okay, good. He's just getting the rug straight. And he's going to go up one more. Fantastic. And one more. And now Martin's going to put some clamps on it. On both sides, he's going to put a clamp on. And then he's going to put a fan underneath this so it'll dry it out from the back side. Remember, it's that last 5% that needs to be dried out in our drying room, where we have controlled the temperature, controlled the humidity. See, there's all kinds of fans here. There's big dehumidifiers in here to dry it out. And now Martin's going to put a fan underneath there. He's going to put two fans, it looks like. There you go, two fans underneath there. And you know, it takes about 4 hours for it to dry the rest of the way. You like to put fans underneath because when we dry it from the back side, it dries so much quicker and so much nicer. No problems. The colors in this rug, the beautiful colors have all come out. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see how this looks in the morning when we come in and we check it, because you know what? We're just about finished today. But this is just the normal thing at Luv-A-Rug. We do this every day. We wash rugs fully, completely, entirely to remove all the pee-pee, all the contamination, all the embarrassment we've washed out of that rug, so you can love your rug again. Thanks for watching.